Hi, I'm Ryan Ferguson, founder and CEO of Riskfuel. It's an honor to be selected to participate in this year's Global Insurance Accelerator. I would have loved to have met you all in Des Moines. However, COVID had other plans and travel to the US wasn't in the cards. Instead, I've made a short video to give you an idea of what Riskfuel is about. First, a bit about me. I founded Riskfuel to accelerate slow numerical models, the sorts of models that I relied on every day as a derivatives trader. For 13 years, I used these models as the fundamental tool for informing my trading decisions, reporting my profit and loss, and measuring my risks. While I found the slow performance of these models to be constraining, I knew that there wasn't much to be done, as I had actually written some of them myself. However, that all changed in 2018 when I figured out how to make these models more than 1 million times faster. The problems of slow numerical models aren't unique to the capital markets. We've already conducted a pilot with a large life insurance company to accelerate the valuation of their universal life policies. This pilot was part of their preparation for new accounting rules that was going to impose dramatic new computing requirements on their quarterly reporting. To meet the increased requirements, they could either buy more servers, represented here by the camel, or figure out a way to make the load lighter. Riskfuel is all about lightening the load. Now, not all models are slow. Some are actually quite fast. These fortunate models have analytic solutions. A famous example is the Black-Scholes equation for options pricing. Unfortunately, only the simplest models operating under the most restrictive conditions have analytic solutions. Richer, more complicated, and more realistic models have to be solved using numerical simulation. And numerical simulation is a synonym for a slow model. At Riskfuel, we find fast and accurate analytic representations of slow numerical models. How do we build these fast representations? You guessed it, machine learning. We run our clients' models millions and millions of times to build a large training data set. Then the training set is used to train up a deep neural network. When training is complete, the results from the neural network are indistinguishable from the client's original model. Critically, this means the inputs and outputs of both models are the same. Riskfuel models are plug-and-play compatible with your existing platforms, whatever they are. You can even keep the traditional models around if you'd like. The only difference, Riskfuel models are more than 1 million times faster. So to reiterate, we make fast replicas of your slow models. You get the same results, just 1 million times faster. Because the models take the same inputs and produce the same outputs as your slow models, they are easily integrated into your existing platform. And like an improved light bulb, you can change one at a time or a bunch at the same time. Equipped with fast Riskfuel models, quarter-end reporting can be done in less time and with less cost. And you don't have to be worried about those heavy compute requirements. We've got you covered. To wrap up, here's a bit about Riskfuel. Though we were just founded in 2019, we already have large banks that have deployed our solution into the production environments. Our very first client won a prestigious industry award for their use of Riskfuel technology, and currently 6 of the very largest of the world's banks are working with us. If you'd like to explore how Riskfuel could accelerate your models, please send me an email at rf@riskfuel.com.